can, I am sure, be well appreciated and recognized by investors and entrepreneurs present here. I have deep confidence in this young generation of Pakistanis. This is why I am fully prepared to invest our scarce resources of my government in providing them with enabling environment for innovation. While technology is unleashing new potentials, our world is also undergoing cataclysmic changes. Global warming is upon us. Extreme temperatures over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of nature and our ecosystem. Countries like Pakistan, with negligible carbon emissions less than 1%, are vulnerable to the adverse impact of climate change. Pakistan experienced historic heat wave in March this year and torrential rains from June to August, which led to devastating floods in Pakistan. And the province of Sindh, Balochistan, KP and Junub Punjab, they were all inundated by flood waters. And this was not because of our making. It was purely climate change induced. Therefore, the northern globe has to appreciate and understand that the countries which have become or are becoming victim of climate-induced torrential devastation should be supported and given due help in terms of technology, in terms of design, to have strong, robust infrastructure, whether it's ziraat, agriculture, or industry, or any other field of undertaking. The rain and floods in Pakistan has affected 33 million people, and more than 1,700 people have died, including